In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email in Gmail. If you've ever needed to forward a message in a cleaner, more organized way, attaching an email inside a new Gmail message is a very useful feature. Instead of copying and pasting the contents or forwarding a long thread that can get messy, you can add the original email as an attachment directly into your new message. This helps preserve the original message and makes it easier for the recipient to open and review it. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your list of emails. This is important because the email you want to attach needs to be visible and accessible from your inbox before you can add it to a new message. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Compose. This opens a new email draft window, usually in the bottom right corner of the Gmail screen. You'll use this Compose box to create the message that will contain the attached email. Before moving on, it can help to make sure the Compose window is fully visible, so you have enough room to drag the email into it easily. Next, find the email in your inbox that you want to attach. Click on that email, hold your mouse button down, and drag it directly into the body area of the Compose window. Then release it there. When you drop it into the message body, Gmail will automatically add that email as an attachment. This is the key action in the process, and once it's attached, you'll usually see it appear in the draft as a file attachment. Take a quick moment to confirm that the email has been added successfully before sending your message. This is a good habit, especially if you're sharing something important and want to avoid sending the draft without the intended attachment. And that's it. As you can see, attaching an email in Gmail is a simple drag and drop process that only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. It's a great option when you want to share a message exactly as it was received, while keeping your communication clear and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident using Gmail more efficiently.